What up, you guys, and welcome back to the channel. And guess what I have here? I got a new unboxing. You've seen the thumbnail. I got this new little knife I want to try out, by the way. So first, firmly to ensure a secure seal. I got this on eBay. This seller will be down below. Okay. I always give it a smell test to make sure everything's fine. It says thank you. If you have any problems with your order, please follow the instructions. This is just padding provided. Here is the bag of fish. And they would like a review. I have this little thing, so I'll read that to you after. Oh, they come in breather bags. Here's one bag. These look like guppies. Maybe I'm crazy. Medaka rice fish. The bags are, it has a little bit of wrapping, and it's wet. We're gonna see. This is wet. I'm sorry, not that wet. Here's another one. I don't see any dead yet. Not that I'm looking, but I'm looking forward to dead fish. I just like to check to make any claims as soon as possible, because as a seller, that's what I would like as well. Another pair of rice fish in here. These are breather bags, so you don't float these bags, by the way, guys. Okay. These are platinum Medaka rice fish. One, two. See, some of these have two, some of these have three, so I'm a little confused. But they're tiny. 1, 2, 3. I mean, like, you can barely see them, but so like this one has 3. See if I can separate the ones with 3. This one has 3 as well. 3. These are bigger. 3 as well. Maybe I'm tripping. I thought I only saw 3 at first. See. This one only has 2. This one only has 2 as well. Oh no, this one has 3. And then this one only has... This one has 3 as well. So maybe I'm just going to lose my mind. So let's do some math, right? 3, 3, 3, 3. What's that? 12, 15, 18, 20. So that's right. I did order 20. None extra. Usually if I were to sell 20 fish, I do give 1 extra. More than likely to. But yeah, they're looking fine. We'll acclimate them. So what we're gonna have to do is actually put them into a container, so then we can actually acclimate them. Let's see the steps, right? These fish are hardy, and therefore drip acclimation is not necessary. I recommend putting the fish in a container and floating it in your tank or pond to equalize temperature. Alternatively, you can pour them in a container and transfer some of your own water periodically, several times until the temperature parameters are close to your water. You may then pour fish into the new tank with the water they came in, or without, using a net to catch the fish while draining the water. These fish have been fasted 2 days prior. Following acclimation, ensure they receive food. I hope you enjoy your order and wish to do business with you in the future. This is nice. Very professional. Let's get started. That won't work. You need to find a clear container so you guys can still have easy visibility. So anywho, let's get started. I have a clear container here. what I'm gonna do is they double tied this, and I've got no patience with this heat to actually try to save these breather bags. So we're just gonna cut them open. Nice and slowly, make sure all of them come out. And did I miss any? This is the 2, I would hope. They're really small. Okay, let's go for the second. This one has 3, so we should have 5 after this. So I sent a message to the seller on eBay, by the way, about these guys, saying, hey, I have a day off on Thursday from work, and I'll be able to receive them then, because he usually does for Wednesday delivery. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 3, 6. So yeah, he usually does Wednesday delivery. But since I won't be here on Wednesday, no one will be able to receive the fish and acclimate them and put them into my aquarium. So, and he was able to work with me, and he shipped them out yesterday. No, not yesterday, the day before yesterday. To arrive 2 days for Thursday. Again, shipping was a little pricey. I think it was like $30, but worth it. Because they all came alive. They are smaller than I thought. I've never had rice fish though, so maybe I'm just completely wrong. Making sure that we're not leaving any in the actual bag. One, 2, 3. The last bag. I might get into these breather bags because they take up less space. You don't have the air needed in here. And now we have all of our fish. That one was, oh, he's doing okay. They do have some medication in the water, I believe, to reduce stress. But let me show you guys what they look like. So there is poop in the bag, by the way. They look super cute though. But yeah, it's time to actually release them. So now that we have them here, I put them in with the cap. Sorry, they're in the container with the top. Turn on the light. Ooh, sorry guys, did I blind you? Give it a second to fix itself. I'm gonna put them to acclimate. The top closed, of course. Into here, you can get a little better of a look. I'm gonna turn off the lights too, but they're gonna come in here to quarantine in a bit, but I'm first acclimating them. Really love the color of these guys. So the plan was to actually put these guys outside, which they will eventually go, but I don't have the tank set up for that yet. So, yeah, for now they're gonna go here until I set one up outside. So they've been acclimating. Now we have to release them into this tank, but without actually getting any of that medication over water. But, okay. Now, how are we gonna do that? I need to dump this water out and throw them in there. So, for example, like so. Nice and slowly. That's all of them. Now we can take this to the tank and release them all. I'm not turning on the lights so I won't scare them too much. So hopefully they do pretty well in here. I did turn off the water of this tank so they can acclimate a little bit, and until they finish going through quarantine. We'll check back on them tomorrow with better lighting, of course. I mean, you guys can see they're looking pretty good. Again, I've never had these before, so you guys could rate the quality yourself. But all of them are doing fine. They all arrived well, nice and chunky. So, I mean, they are a little small, but then again, I didn't know how big they actually were in the first place. So, guys, I want to do a full-blown review on the eBay seller. Trying to get this lighting to work a little better, but yeah, let's get started. So I'm gonna have to give it a rating out of the most important things, right? So we have communication, which is pretty well. He worked with me, so I would give that one a 4 out of 5. His response time the first time I messaged him was a little longer, but I can give you, you know what? I'll give you the 5 out of 5 for that, because his response time was actually pretty well afterwards. After he realized that I was interested, he responded a lot quicker after that. He got the fish out. Shipping time, amazing, because when I messaged him like a month ago asking about these fish, he remembered who I was and he shipped them out exactly the way when I asked him to. When I told him, hey, I'm gonna buy the fish, he shipped them out the day after. Perfect timing, so that's 5 out of 5. Next is quality. I've never had these fish before, but in my opinion they look great. So if they are the proper size, and that's the size they are as adults, I give it 5 out of 5. If they're not adults, I still give it a 4 out of 5 because they came in healthy. Now, packaging. Not the biggest fan of the way he packaged it. They did arrive all alive, right? But I would have definitely insulated the box better. I think he just used, what do you call it? The mailers, those bubble wrap mailers, which is definitely helpful, but not as helpful as insulation like styrofoam or house insulation. For example, a lot of sellers that I even use either styrofoam or house insulation. They come in these thick boards, which will definitely help with keeping the temperature correct, keeping no high fluctuation in temperature, which could stress our fish out, or any damages to the box. So like if it was dropped and or a heavy box was placed on top of it, the styrofoam or foam would actually hold the integrity of the box up without crushing what's inside of it. The way this one was, if I put a heavier box on top of it, it would have just flattened it out, and that would have been a risk. Now, I've had problems with UPS not treating packages correctly. UPS, USPS, FedEx, I haven't really shipped with, but package showed up alive, very good, and even was delivered nicely. Like, it had labels facing upwards, so other than packaging, I would say shipping was great, so I would give it a 3 out of 5 just because of the inside of the box. Now, he did have instructions on how to release your fish and how to put them and adapt them into your new aquarium, which is really helpful, really great. Not much detail, but exactly the steps how to do it. So if you had experience in ordering fish, perfect. If you haven't, you would probably have to look up a YouTube video or other examples. So I'd give that one another 4 out of 5. So if we do the math, I think that's like 17 out of 20. Still a good rating. Definitely recommend the seller. I will be putting his link down below to his store. Definitely want to give out props to it. Thank you for the fish. Really appreciate it if you are watching this video. But if you guys are watching and you guys just like my content, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos just like this. These guys are stunning. Thank you guys for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe to see more videos like this. Why don't you check us out on TikTok and Instagram? We post daily there.